All right, so first up, you need to open up CMD. In order to open up CMD, you just need to go ahead and press on Windows plus R, and then you need to type in this command CMD, and then just press OK to open it up, and it will just show you this. Now, in order to run a SFC, you just need to type this command right over here. It's SFC space scan slash scan now, and then press enter. Once you do this, it will start the process, and here, as you can see, it's beginning to start the process. So while the process is happening, we will do something else in the meantime. You just need to go to your web browser and type in tech power up, and you should exactly type it just like this, tech power up Visual C++. Once you do this, just go to the website. And yeah, this is going as well. So now you need to download this visual, and you need to make sure that you download the server right next to your country. So most of them are US, and you need to download whatever you're nearer to. So I'm just gonna download this one because it's 12% and this one is 17. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one. So meanwhile, it's downloading as well, and this is happening as well. So I'll be right back once. Okay, so here, as you can see, my verification has been completed. It says 100%. Now you need to open up your Visual C++. And what you need to do is just simply press extract file here, and it's just going to extract it. And once the extraction is done, you just need to go ahead and press on install all pat. And you need to make sure the files are inside correctly. Just like this. Once all the files are here, you just need to. And yeah, here we go. Now your error must be fixed, and you can just continue with anything you want to do. So hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.